guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm doing necklace to spike challenge, and I'm doing this on a spare because people will say, you already have a spike on your animals, like, dude, why scam on, dude? Yeah, so let's make a spare, I guess. Oh my god, please don't crash. Oh, thank god, no, don't crash. Okay, don't crash. I restarted, so it better not crash. And my mom just came back from shopping, so sorry about the background noise. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Why is my mouse like this? I need it back to the Animal Jam mouse. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, faster, baby, faster. Today, that lonely phantom. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, so we just pick one and penguins! The penguins are gone! No, they're not gone. They're here! They're finally back! Anyway, let's just get this. Oh, her voice is cringy. How about gold? Jazzy, yes. Bean. Gold jazzy bean. Beautiful. Pressing next. Next. Oh. You can't put your birthday, you idiots. Oh my god. It's working. Yeah. Dang. Gotta get rid of the voice. If you know what I mean. I'm here. I'm gone. You're what? My name is Pick and I'd like to show you around. Sure, follow me. Trying to. Oh. Okay. Wait, the skip button is gone. I guess they're trapping us in here. I know you're so excited. I know it's awesome. It's awesome that I'm here. Yes, I know. Oh, I'm supposed to be gold and I'm a bean, so let's get that yellow in here and bean. No! Ew! It's better as black. Oh, gee! It's ruining it. No. Oh, here we go. The bean. And my eyes can be black forever, because, like, why not? And we go. Oh, there we go. That can be, no. That can be this. So it can be pure yellow, you know what I mean? There we go. Okay. Yeah, color.